earn more than $5,000 with artificial intelligence on YouTube in today's video. I will show you this method that you can use wherever you are and earn online. Take a look at this channel Pets series, which has almost 6 million subscribers already, and the funny cat and dog videos here are a perfect example of what not to do with YouTube automation. Well, now this channel may have a lot of views, but they only get $50 to $1 per thousand views. This is because advertisers don't like advertising on these types of videos, because people just want to watch and laugh and don't have credit cards to buy products. That's why the channel doesn't earn as much as the number of views it receives. Now this channel is earning enough. It is simple space in the space and technology niche, which is considered a high CPM niche or cost per factory, or YouTube will pay you per thousand views. So this channel here has 830,000 subscribers, millions of views on their videos talking about the universe, the galaxy, the solar system, and all the cool stuff, and they don't even show their face. Just save the movie clips and images. They explain, you know, how the world might work. Well, so if we come to social blade, the amount of income you see here is not correct. Now they say $9,500 a month or 140,000 a year. Actually quit. It's wrong, because if you hover over the little question mark, it say the default is estimated CPM range for social blade. It's between 25 cents and $4 per thousand views. We know that this channel earns $15 per thousand views. You can multiply this number by 4 and this will give you a better estimate of what they make. So they make close to 2,000 a month or over 400,000 a year from a channel that doesn't even shoot videos themselves. And I'm going to show you exactly how they do it using AI. What we do is we find the most popular video in the last 2 weeks so that we can model it well. So if we go to their videos, we click the last tab of these videos. Here we can see the most popular videos. Even they had more than 100,000 views. Now we want to select one of these and model it. When we get to the bottom of the video, we click here for the transcribe. So we want to connect this script to an AI model. We're literally going to create a whole new script based on this copyright free version. So what we're going to do is copy this, right click on it, and then what you're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT. You can use the paid version, but we're going to use the free version. We use it because the paid version has more up to date information, and we type this based on artificial intelligence. Can you make a script based on that? Then we type it in and click that button, and the script is ready for us. So a whole new script is prepared for us. Here is expressed different sentence with the same meaning. So this script is professionally written without copyright by artificial intelligence. So now all you have to do is have the script ready by a voice actor. So as always, we use 11 Labs software. Here you can see different sounds and use them. This platform is the most advanced AI technology as far as voice actors go. So what I did is I just attached one sentence and put it here. You can turn your entire script into a natural voice using this AI tool. The interesting thing about this platform is that you can get a natural voice like a human, and also you can choose the type of accent that is American or Australian or British, and finally you can download your file. So all you need to do is you need an editor to prepare the video for you. So at this point you can use Fiverr. Very different companies in the world do projects with the best quality at low prices. So what you do is that you can cooperate from the filter section of people who have just started their work, and you can get their projects at very low pieces, receive good and high quality.